Put you in my life for a purpose, and we might fuss and fight, but it's worth it. You know I got love for my baby. Love the way you throw it back like the 80s. I know you tired of me calling you crazy. Girl, I'm crazy about you. Where would I be without you? Girl, I'm always thinking about you.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another bang video. So guys, tonight we're going to do a story.
Yeah, guys, we got about story time tonight, right? So some nights, guys, are twice.
No, it's everything up in the back and front. Yeah, guys, remember to subscribe,
Like,
share,
comment. Or something.
No, we want to be people that you know somewhere. This can't send to.
Say we don't like it, comment and share it.
So share no say.
No. Say, want to say comment, share, like, and subscribe. Nick say send to.
We're going to start over the intro, yeah?
No, this is upload. This is how we upload. So guys, let's start the video.
So guys, tonight we're gonna do a story time about how we met.
Yeah.
How we meet together. How she start me.
First.
How she start me.
My police?
Guys, she start me. Anyways,
Get
get us to 1K subscribers. Right, let's start.
Yeah, people still want one right.
Yeah.
Well, let's not be dead on every day, no?
You can't cut out me like that.
Who's got on?
Like that, yeah.
So guys, so we're going to start this right now because we don't want it too long.
Yeah, right, huh? Alright. Oh, this one out. So, yeah, so she did have this friend. She have this friend, right? And the boy this ghosty.
Start. Put in all the picture when you see
Me I
picture.
got a friend so me I just started.
Alright.
So it's like, we see this. Alright, me know the boy, she know the boy. Me never know so she exists. Me never know so the boy know she never know so the boy know me. Isn't me? So, me see this boy now, and he used to come like me with from school and something, and trouble with us, we ever fight, so he always just trouble me and something. So, him did I look me at one point, you know, but I'm never interested, you know? And yeah. So one day, me see him post this picture with this girl. The picture look nice, the girl never look nice in the picture. Yeah. So we should the picture. I'm asking him, say, how would I be there? Then time then, no. Now my head, no, my girl, you know. That's true.
Where crap is them fly upon me?
Alright. Be serious now, ready?
Yeah.
So, me is a good girl in our picture. I'm a good girl, good brown, you know. Girl got bleach. Also. So,
I know you got that card and
me see a picture, and she did not go to the park. I did the first day of school. You know, everybody always look good on the first day of school. So,
You look good every day. Move from yourself.
but it did look extra nice that day. Shut up, pretty. So, anyways, me so good girl and me so the boy say.
only get on a party.
Me so the boy say. Me so the boy say, yo, set that link there. I can't mean no. Yeah, so. This idiot boy take about 2 weeks before him tell her say, isn't it?
Right, so.
Alright, so. Yeah, they catch my mom.
You tell them that top.
Come
Yeah, you know.
Rub like a help this like.
You will say come on my foot, you have to come on my foot.
Stop tell lie.
And then we say come
No,
on foot,
you need to stop tell lie. You need to stop tell lie. Don't me talk you true. Don't make me embarrass you.
Embarrass.
I saw the word pronounced. I said it spell.
Just listen to me how me sound like one word gossa embarrass. One word gossa.
Hold on, papi. Don't play with people who learn so many big words.
Yeah, girl. So me don't know. And this boy, before he send her my number or he send me fear number, the idiot add me in one group because he want our business. So I'm adding in the group
Oh, you can mix up boy now.
and him say, so you not text and me say me reply now. I don't remember me say. I don't remember what me say.
But he reply before you.
Ah yeah, but why not we reply first and then she inboxed me. She inboxed me, you know. After the boy had been a group because she nothing and jumpy, you know. She inboxed me.
Come in never want it to be personal. I don't want the boy to mix up.
Then we start sex and some.
Carry that, you know?
But bear in mind, you know, me, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
So she did us on the top and it is to me. I'm not really like interested at first. Right.
No words.
No.
So, Nicky, how you know if you need only number one?
Tell us she number one.
Your work. Oh.
Come now. Come on. Sir. What there?
And let's not go to and fix up everything and everything you do back up front, brother.
My lip dry.
No. Wrong.
I want to guys.
Pink one top.
Some of the most gay mad pussy to drink today.
Pink one top.
Hello.
Pink one
The
top.
coconut oil.
Give me try.
Sir. And we did there. And tell me what I'm after that, I can't remember.
Oh, yeah,
After we started texting and something, I can't remember.
Yeah, invite.
And if you stop going to youth, boom, but. Hey guys, we did meet up. We meet up at Porty. We did pass her first time, but we never did talk. We did pass her at a floor.
I don't know if that.
They did pass me. One time I Tati then did a walk.
Yeah, man, I think don't walk every day, but I don't remember.
Yeah, you did a look on me, I did a look on you. And keep my tell me say, you, and you did a look on me because you didn't know me.
That time before we text down.
That's how we did a text. I told we act like idiot. You did act like idiot more.
But that made it one time.
So, I think the following week now, we're going to meet up and thing, is it? Did you wait for Sheena? Did you wait for Sheena? Then we look Woody and girl was fight.
I saw the story, guys. You can't even tell the story. So, guys, I did down on my school, right? And the boy I called my phone and tell me, say, we must come talk as they did uptown. So, yeah, they already got school, they did everywhere, they did not go far. But me, the pan evening shift, I did 11th grade down. I did 11th grade. Yeah, so, but me, that's in 2018. But September down here in time then. September?
I think I'm holding time.
No. Oh yes, and I'm still talking about in time the guy.
2018.
Yeah. So, I'm a good girl today, I'm a good girl. They don't school at home, my ear, cause my head ever got school, man. Make it my
You want hot up because
guys, we need to take picture the other day, and Mr. I met this girl come here. So that was the reason, and because we didn't see this. Isn't it? So we're there and oh yeah, walk up to me and the girl, my friend, me, Tati and Gabriel and Kira, and the girl come here, but we follow the girl come here, go home. Period. We follow go home. And then I go on a bus stop. And my bus stop, you know, is fixed you enough. I pass my bus stop down way run away bus stop. You get me? So, if them a scratch me too. Anyways, so
Not fear.
Come on to our thing here.
Yo, that thing fit you, we get hungry. You
So guys, that story. So guys, I start.
Yo, be yourself in the penny. Yo, me I know that be there.
So, is yourself. So, we went. We go to town, go to the CR. I'm not CR, but see the boys. Me the boy did they talk. And something. And then, I saw that girl talk. You want to meet girl, my friend, and I don't was probably my friend. Yeah. I want.
They say lick it this morning.
Stop embarrassing me. Anyways, so guys, that is so. We did it, right? I'm going to run pandong. Come here, now. I run pandong. I'm a puppy. Like, you know, when a little puppy.
That's in your skin get a fire.
Guys, we got there. Me I tell you the truth. We got there and me never see her first. At first, me did see the boy. You hear? We see this other girl. They were named one girl. Man, I did not talk to guys. I see the girl. And my friend, come me never know say she and the other and the girl know them one another. So
More popo. Anyways, guys, I see the
yeah, guys, so well, hi there. I'm gonna look. Alright, so I'm gonna go. So yeah, guys, we do that, you know, and music, guys. So you should if you contact me, isn't me? Be there, be there, player. You know what? I don't understand, is it? Put it in that camera. Put it in that camera.
Stop your mates, you know?
Behave. So we there. Oh yeah, my brother's to me, you. Alright?
If she haven't stopped up ratchet, how you want to already? Oh, you would.
Stop up ratchet. She said ratchet. Alright, so I am.
Big word.
And you make it right that
You be able to save my money to take you.
I saw people try what we're going to put on lipstick. And scrap it.
You know, then get that girl there, don't you? Yeah.
And guys, alright, me a bit better. Alright, so guys, we were there and yeah, we did there. Yeah, it's a prank. 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 Could be she have to try to face. I'm not gonna make it. Girl, make sure you put her wrong side. Don't laugh about me. All of your head now?
Stop shame me, man. Come in here, going to
Me shame ya? Me shame ya?
Me and a few more made out of get up, more, get up, you know?
Me shame ya?
What do you mean?
Guys, and right now, as you can see outside, it's very dark. She told me she married. Me say, you know, long me I plan this for do this. I mean, I wonder, oh, you know, catch on it. But yeah, Nick just make me a laugh. So.
Nickii now,
Nick could have never said, Nick could have called me in here if I Nick. So guys, see Nick there.
You wasn't there.
So alright guys, so we catch her. This prank was epic. You didn't see mommy picture now? From the server?
Because why are they up here about so?
I want to start lipstick and jaja, no?
Eh?
Mummy, ask you why there.
What? I want catch you. Which one catch you? Do you start jaddy lipstick and we start put on it?
See ya? I'm a say, baby, I'm a girl, I'm a girl. See, so me have to take me that I could be called. No, sir.
Guys, my prank her. Alright, listen, man, ask her. Me know say me did a get her, and me have some more prank to give her. Alright, listen, man, ask Christ. So, guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. My lipstick is actually though. Not ugly.
Blink.
Suppose that somebody look. Anyway. I drop. Guys, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's just 1K subscribers, guys. We really want to get to 1K subscribers, guys. To start with some more epic videos. So if you're new, thank you. Thumbs up to you. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for subscribing and thank you for continuing to support us.
Does this make sense?
Let me say, if you're an old subscriber, thank you.
If you already subscribed, thank you for the support. If you're new, subscribe.
Yeah, I don't know that. Me say, but me just say it more intelligently. Alright, guys. Oh no.
Yo. You didn't share a picture? I mean,
Guys, we're old.
please.
God put you in my life for a purpose, and we might fuss and fight, but it's worth it. You know I got love for my baby. Love the way you throw it back like the 80s. I know you tired of me calling you crazy. Girl, I'm crazy about you. Where would I be without you? Girl, I'm always thinking about